Alright, what's going on, guys? I failed the first time trying to do this. I opened the wrong side of the box and got pissed. This is the right side. I tried to open it like this, like with it standing up like a retard. But let's see what we got in here. Pull this stuff out. We got the packing slip, you know. A lower control arm. That's what's lit. Possibly another. Oh, this one's definitely heavier. The rearward bar lower control arm thing. Don't know what the exact name. It's like a rearward bar or some shit. I believe this then will be the other regular lower control arm, which she is, and then we have ourselves here upper control. I would assume the other box here. This is another upper control. Leave that in there. Culture Series 91. That's what's up. Bring the phone charger with me. You know what you need? Oops. You need to get yourself the premium Harbor Freight deals. That's what's up. I'm about to actually get a new jack stand from them. I think it's a $79 coupon for a 3-ton jack. It's not bad. And then in here, we got a tie rod end, another tie rod end. The other rearward bar will be coming Friday. After that, I have some other shit coming tomorrow, which is Thursday. And then we'll continue the unboxing from there. But for now, just a sneak peek of what's gonna come. We got tie rod ends. They're pretty quality, man. I only paid $25 for these. They're a lot nicer than the $50 ones that I bought last time. So, if you need car parts, Rock Auto is the way to go. Just go on the, go to like a dealership site for one of your local car dealers, whether it be Ford, Mazda, Honda, anything like that. And you can actually look up the parts on their site. You can look up the OEM part numbers. So get the OEM part numbers, and then, like, once you have those, check them against the ones on Rock Auto, and honestly, like, I think this would have all cost me like $600 at AutoZone or O'Reilly's or Advanced Auto Parts. And I got it on Rock Auto for $300 altogether with lower control, not lower control, with the tie rod ends. The tie rod ends alone, I didn't have that included in the original price. Those probably would have been, I think, another, at least another like $100, so probably around $700 or $800 for all that. And I got this, all the suspension shit, $300 plus another thing for another like $300 or so. So yeah, soon to come car videos, but we're getting there. We're getting shit done. I'll be back for the next unboxing next few days, I guess.